नमस्कार दोस्तों, आरबीआई अपडेट में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे 18 नवंबर 2021, आरबीआई released the report of the working group on the digital lending, including lending through online platforms and mobile apps. The RBI had constituted a working group on digital lending, including lending through online platforms and mobile apps on January 13, 2021 with Sri Jayant Kumar Das, Executive Director RBI as the chairman. The working group was set up in the backdrop of business conduct and customer protection concern arising out of the spurt in the digital lending activity. The working group has since submitted its report. The thrust of the report has been on enhancing customer protection and making the digital lending ecosystem safe and sound while encouraging innovation. The following are a gist of the key recommendations. First, subjecting the digital lending apps to a verification process by a nodal agency to be set up in consultation with the stakeholders. Second, setting up of a self-regulatory organization SRO covering the participation in the digital lending ecosystem. Third, a separate legislation to prevent illegal digital lending activities. Fourth, development of certain baseline technology standards and compliance with those standards as a precondition for offering digital lending solution. Fifth, disbursement of loans directly into the bank accounts of borrower, disbursement and servicing of loan only through bank accounts of the digital lender. Fourth, sixth, data collection with the prior and explicit consent of borrowers with the verifiable audit trail. 7. All data to be stored in servers located in India. And 8. Algorithm features used in the digital lending to be documented to ensure necessary transparency. 9. Each digital lender to provide a key fact statement in a standardized format including the annual percentage rate. And 10. Use of unsolicited commercial communication for digital loans to be governed by a code of conduct to be put in place by the proposed SRO. And 11. Maintenance of a negative list of lending services providers by the proposed SRO. And 12. A standardized code of conduct for recovery to be framed by the proposed SRO in consultation with the RBI. The report is being placed on the RBI website today for comments of the stakeholders, and members of the public comments may be submitted by December 31st, 2021 through email. The comments will be examined before a final view is taken on the recommendation and suggestion made by the working group. Thank you so much.